Hey there, and welcome to the 5 to 4's Your Tutorial Masters for Spanish Style Ukulele. This is Doña, and
Hey, I'm Patrick. We're back.
so last week we studied the scale of the minor and its formula. The week before we did the Andalusian progression, and today we start improvising to the E minor scale or Andalusian progression. So we
Yeah,
start with an example, I think, or
yeah. So my experience is this: if you want to start play with single tones over maybe like a playback. So starting practicing the solo, the best thing is you have a playback. So you have a melody or something in the background. So and you can practice all the tones on the chords. The important thing is if you have a playback in the background, so you can feel the beat and you can really improvise everything, every single note you play. Yeah. So and that's one what we're going to do today. So you can give an example
so what we
for
did
maybe yeah.
the
So
last times
um,
because it's easier for our students to build up the progression. We started the
right.
G major scale and the E minor plus the Andalusian progression. So I
Yeah.
played the 6 5 4 3, so which is E minor, D, C, and B7,
Yeah.
and you improvise. Okie dokie.
Just this,
We
yeah.
do an example and then we explain it,
Yeah.
I would
Right.
say.
Yeah.
Welly, welly.
That was nice.
So,
So, yeah. So,
yes.
um, so I just played all the single notes. So we've learned before. So just mixed all the notes a bit up and tried to get deeper into the Spanish style. So now it's your turn. So you know all the notes, so you can play maybe just we can use Donya as your as a playback. So just play maybe yeah, just play 2 minutes your style, and everybody can use your playback to improvise the notes like we did.
Maybe
Yeah.
I give a tiny example because the first chord I play was the E minor, and we learned the shape. So it's good to start or to end with the chord you want to improvise on. So you can play like just a tiny example that you have the impression what is going on here. So it's finally E, D, and F. Today I'm a little bit brain fucked. Excuse me. It is E, F sharp, she, and G.
She. Yeah. That's a female G, right?
Yes. It's too hot outside.
Yeah.
Anyway.
So yeah,
Okay, so like
just start with your playback so that everybody um, have the have a
the
homework.
chance to improvise on it. Yeah,
Yeah,
but to give the idea how to jump on, I thought it is a little help, like showing up that we learned the progression. And all these notes you can improvise on this tiny melody background.
yeah,
So I try to play slowly that everybody can practice.
beautiful.
And maybe, for example, we play the second key, which is the D. I just played the D, slide up, and play the next note. Just to getting into the mood of each chord shape, and you should end with one note of this chord. Maybe you begin or you end, and then you can
Yeah,
improvise the whole scale.
yeah, and important is as well that you should jump between the high and the deep strings. So
Hmm.
if you want to play a C, for example, so again, it's not a baritone, it's a tenor. So my C is tone C is here. So if you have, for example, this one, um, something like this, you can play the same thing here. Yeah. So this is good to practice the notes here, and you can find the same really the same notes here. So if you're looking for a C, for example, you can find a C here. So
Yeah,
everywhere is a
or I
C.
started with, yeah, excuse me. I started with the
Yeah,
E
sure.
here, and you can also play it like here
Yeah,
in the upper layer. So just to
yeah,
get different moods, or better word would be intentions
right.
of where we were going for, what kind of mood or tension you want to build up.
Yeah, yeah. So this is a big topic. So I think this is enough for today.
Yes, and especially I lost my language anyway today, so it's better for our students to
What,
do it next
what
time
what's the,
better.
what's the name? Yeah, just tell everybody what's the name of this tone again. It was a she, right?
Yes. Anyway, yeah, I hope
She major
sometimes
or she minor?
it's very important to entertain. But anyway, all the things we learned, like the E minor scale and the progression and all the layers where you can build, you can start to improvise today and to practice this. And this is a huge topic. And I think maybe our students outside think, oh, they don't want to tell us enough. But I swear to God, you have enough to do with that study of
Yeah,
today.
yeah, that's right.
So enjoy and see you for the next tutorial.
Yeah. See ya, guys.
Yeah.